Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and confirming your account email so recovery actions work. Once signed in, enable two-factor authentication in settings right arrow security. This is required before creating a passkey. You must also have your phone or an authenticator app ready to verify during setup. Make sure your device is unlocked and connected to the internet. Begin the passkey creation immediately after 2FA verification, so the site links the new credential to your current session without expiry or extra verification steps. Once done with 2FA, navigate to Security and choose Passkeys, then add new passkey. Follow the prompt. Select a built-in method like Face ID or fingerprint, or insert a hardware key, USB/NFC. The site will ask to confirm a challenge. Approve it with your biometric or tap the hardware key. Give the passkey a clear name, such as Phone Biometric or UBI-KeyHome, so you can manage multiple credentials. This links the credential to your device and prevents reuse on other devices. To complete sign-in, choose the passkey option on Roblox's login screen and authenticate with the registered biometric or hardware key. If the passkey doesn't appear or fails, immediately use the fallback email plus your 2FA method or recovery codes to access the account. Do not attempt repeated passkey attempts. Once inside, go to Security and either troubleshoot the specific device entry or revoke and recreate the passkey. A key troubleshooting tip: if biometric hardware changed, revoke the old passkey and create a fresh one from your current device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.